Welcome to the channel RV, and this is your host Raj Verma. Today I will be unboxing Tenda N301 model. So let's get started. I have ordered this package from the Amazon, and I had bought this from a sale which was held in the 23rd of the January, and the package was to be shipped on the 26th Jan. By the way, it was a public holiday, so I have received by today, and today's date is 27th Jan. So I have removed this, and I have removed the sticker, cut off this stuff, and let's remove the part. Let's see over here, the Tenda upcoming model N301, and seal packed totally. And here is the Tenda all better networking and wireless WAN. So you can see working as a client ISP hotspot or advanced security of WPA2. Super easy setup, and 300 Mbps wireless home router, enabled by Broadcom, speed of 2.4 GHz, IP based and WPS. Let's see the specs over there. Tenda logo. Package of the content is resources CD, includes manual, quick installation guide, Ethernet cable, power adapter and wireless N300 easy setup router. So system requirement is Windows 8 compatible. So there are some specifications as you can read. Standard of IEEE 802.11 and /GBI IEEE 802.3/3U. Interface is the 110/100 Mbps WAN port, and the third is 10/100 Mbps LAN ports. Antenna is, there are two antenna on this router which are fixed. You can't remove this antenna. So that was the specs. And here is the what the product does. There are some instructions written over there and some kind of map over here. Laptop, smartphone, desktop, PC, laptop, gaming console, tablet. Yeah, this can be connected. The diagram below is about the back side of the Tenda router. So let's get unbox itself. There are the 3 install steps, which is very quick and easy. So let's unbox this. I've got this blade, and let's start it. Now from this side, this was amazing, I can say. So I have unboxed this stuff. Tenda, you can see the router logo Tenda, quite good. By the packaging was good, by the way. Let's get rid of this polythene. There is nothing no seal on the box, so let's remove this stuff. Quite hard to remove. Yeah, there it is, and a recycle box in it. Okay, we can see there's nothing inside the box. You can see as let's get rid of this box. Oh, there is a setup or our CD. So what it says, oh, a journal setup CD. Let's keep this thing aside. Quick installation guide, and the router itself. There is the power adapter. So quite well packaging of the router, I can say. So let's remove this stuff. Nothing written on the back. Clean router. Oh sorry, power adapter. So let me focus down there. Come on, get focused. Come on. Yeah, there is. So model TEA 090906 0, input is 100-240 volt AC, 50 to 60 Hz, 0.3 ampere. Output is 9 volts, 600 milliamperes. The power adapter is of 9 volts and 600 milliamperes. So Ponton, what is this? I don't know. But which company does this belong? The power adapter, I don't know, but the router is very good. There is a self-declaration sticker over there, you can see there. So oh, quite well packaging. Tenda. Very small router, huh? Very good. And cable, by the way, you can see. Yep. Oh, which was the so this cable is of Cat5, I think so. Anyways, keeping this aside, let's talk about the router itself. Yeah, the router is good, very quite light, I can say. Very light, very good. I can't show this information to you all, but I can see, let's see, the model number is N301, IP address written over there, login admin, password is admin. Okay, so I can't show this, sorry, this is confidential. And there are some ports over there. WPS button. When there are no power button and there is no any kind of button regarding to the startup, so the antennas are quite high. This is the router. You can see the router itself is, the antennas are too long, I can say. It seems to be odd. The design is quite good, I can say, but you can see that the body is too short and the router antennas are too long. This quite seems to be funny. So nothing over there. Let's plug in the router. Let me set up for you guys. As you set up the adapter to the power source, now I will be plugging in the back of the router. Yep, there are the LED which are glowing now. See, the LEDs are glowing, by the way. So it is showing SYS is going on and off. 1 2 3 WAN. I have not connected the WAN, by the way. Yeah, you can see there. Let me focus. Yeah, so guys, you are seeing this, that SY is blinking now. I have not set it up the WAN. I have just plugged the power to the router through the power source. So there is a Tenda logo, as you can see. So guys, the further video will be upcoming about the Tenda review. So the signal strength and signal quality of the router which is going to produce, and how it works when it gets connected to the cable or the internet or ethernet or the WAN, I can say. So that's it for now guys. Please do like and subscribe and share as you're possible. Please guys, do like, it helps the channel to upgrade, and also to bring more videos in future for you guys regarding to this stuffs, like which I have bought this for review stuff. I have bought this from Amazon to review especially for you guys. So guys, please do like and subscribe. This helps the channel to buy this stuffs like you for and making more further videos. Please guys, do like and subscribe. Thank you, and signing out.